proverbial to say, "Once a liar, always a liar." Let's relate the story. Cry wolf to prove the truthfulness of this proverb. Once upon a time, there was a shepherd boy who used to take his flock of sheep to the hill to graze on the fresh green grass. Sitting there, he had nothing to do the whole day. One day, an idea struck him. To overcome his boredom, he cried out, "Wolf, wolf!" All the men came running with their sticks, but they found no wolf. The boy laughed. Again, after a few days, he cried out, "Wolf, wolf!" And the villagers again came running up the hill, only to find that the shepherd boy had fooled them. He laughed and laughed, seeing that he had succeeded in fooling them again. However, this time, the villagers were very angry, and they told him that if next time he cried out for help, they would not come. Next day, when his sheep were grazing, he suddenly saw a wolf. He cried out aloud, "Wolf, wolf!" But alas, no one came to rescue his sheep. The shepherd boy returned home crying with very few sheep. The wolf had taken away one of his sheep, and some of his sheep had fled. From that day onwards, he promised never to lie again. This story teaches us a moral lesson that people refuse to believe a liar even when he is telling the truth. Possible morals. Once a liar, always a liar. Do not cry wolf.